Alright, so hi, hey, hello. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so I'm here today. I'm gonna showcase a little something. This here is a site called Sixth Soul Jam by a YouTuber, Royal Mike. It's this like HTML coding thing that lets users make custom Cookie Run or Cookie Run Kingdom cutscenes. So I'm gonna showcase my current progress. I wanna do story-based videos about this. Alright, so this is the character one. Here, first I place a character, then I place the ID and then the name that shows there, size and the color of the name, I think. And then is the state, which is like the pose or sprite. Currently I just have this one random thing I made with a official character creator. I wanted to use another official one, but I don't think it's available anymore. Yes, I also have a transponder. It has this state, but there's no image yet. I'm gonna ask my friend to maybe help me and they did seem pretty interested in helping me make some of the custom assets. I just... Alright. Now these two, I used some of the Cookie Run Kingdom assets from I took them from the Cookie Run comic creator, their official asset. We have the announcer, which is like one of the cookies from the Golden Cheese Kingdom. And then this guy who's from Hollyberry Kingdom, the mysterious guy with the no-name man. Right, for the audio I'm using a music track from Pixabay. Then we have the narration and also background. This is I think one from the Republic. I wanted to use another one, but I couldn't find it in the comic creator, and I couldn't really use the one on the Cookie Run Kingdom wiki, so I just used the next best thing I could find. Here is the dialogue. Okay, and how this works is there is... Hold up, let me pull up the guide for this. Here is the guide. So there are editors, the character editor and the script editor. There are components. Here are... Okay, so for example, let's see. Here are some of the tags for it. So character ID is the thing you use to reference the character you wanna use in a script. And stuff. This is the name of the character that comes in the dialogue box. This is a state, like expression and stuff. Let's see. Here is an example. Royal Mike has made a couple of videos of this, and he's probably better at explaining this stuff since he was the one who made the site. You should check his channel out too. He's got a bunch of Cookie Run and Cookie Run Kingdom cutscene videos. I like to watch them a lot. Alright. Here are script tags. This is for the background. Basically, I just insert a image to act as the background. Line here is like the dialogue. Here are a few. ID is what what character and state is gonna be during dialogue. Expression, which is, let's see, here, for example, for here I have emotion equals OB joy. And it has to be in these brackets. The dialogue has to be in these brackets. And this has. Okay, so here is an example of how it works. It also took me a long while to figure everything out. Please tell me this is recording. Yes, it is still recording. Once I tried to record a video, but I used the buttons to top, but somehow it didn't record. It only recorded like the 18-second clip of me closing the recording. Yeah, and here is the direction. This can change where the character is in the dialogue, like middle, left, right. Yeah, apparently it's an experimental feature, so it won't work always. Oh wait, emotion. This is what I was saying, and this is what I was actually. Expression. This changes the appearance of the dialog box. Let me show you. Let's see, where was it? Ah, here. Expression equals shout, and of course brackets to work. Here is an exclamation. You can always pause, and if this is boring or you can't make any heads or tails of my terrible English pronunciation, you can always go and find a better video to watch. But I would be happy if you watch this. I'm trying my best here. This no bounce. This like disables the bounce in animation. Apologies. Let's see. This is I don't know about this. Oh, and here is the narration stuff. It was here in the start. This is like the narration part. No dialogue or characters, just text in the middle of the screen. Centerpiece, like, you know how in Cookie Run on Cookie Run Kingdom, at times in dialogue there is a scene or item at the center of the screen that represents maybe like an item during the story or something happening during the story. It's like there. I have it here on the end. I can't get the sizing yet, so it's kind of just a way too large font for a title. Also, if you if you don't have anyone to help with making title stuff or assets or stuff, and you wanna use AI to help out a bit or make placeholders, don't. AI is terrible at spelling. I know, because I tried using an AI image generator to create a title placeholder, but it could not for. Yeah, AI is terrible at spelling everything. Yeah, so. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever use AI other than ChatGPT. At times, it's the only useful AI. But anyways, yeah. Let's see, shake. This is like a shake effect. Mode. This changes the cutscene style. Audio. This is the music. Audio. Let's see here. Type music and instant. So it instantly plays it. And here, I used a Pixabay track, and I copied and pasted the link via Discord. It took me forever to figure that out and get my settings figured out so I can do this. Yeah. Also, yeah, my letters. This is in Finnish. Alright. Yeah, that is that. And reset. Yeah, this is here as an some tags. Yeah, here is an example. Errors, and yeah, that's it. Alright, let's play this. Also, I like to save this a lot of time, just to be sure. So let's play this out. I'll try to be as quiet as possible. Also, yes, One Piece stuff. I like One Piece. And yeah, this is, I'm trying to find a way to figure out the sizing. But yeah, that was it. And I think that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. And maybe subscribe and maybe also put some comments. I'm trying to turn this stuff into like episodic cutscene things or like a whole story. Anyways, thanks for watching. See ya!